Hold up, this thing is supposed to be for teens and adults, but it feels like a full-on mini dirt bike. 4,500 watts peak power, 220 Newton meters of torque, and they're claiming up to 36 miles per hour. Is this actually legit, or is this just numbers on paper? Let's find out.
What's up guys, this is Daddy O from the O Family channel. If you're new here, we are all about family adventures, honest reviews, and testing out some seriously fun rides. And today, this might be one of the most powerful mini dirt bikes we've had on the channel. We worked with HappyRun in the past, and they've honestly been one of our favorite companies to team up with. So when they reached out and told us they are launching a brand new mini dirt bike, and wanted us to be one of the early creators to test it. Yes! Yes! I was like, say less. So in this video, we're gonna unbox it, put it together, and then we are taking it out for a real test ride to see how much power this thing actually has. Let's get into it. All right, so as usual, let's cut this open.
Look at this packaging. Styrofoam everywhere, zip ties everywhere. They did not want this thing moving around in shipping. Let's cut it open and dig in. Alright, zip ties are off, foam is out, and just look at this thing. It really does look like a tank. Straight Mean Machine vibes. And I'm loving this colorway. Up front, you've got that chunky deep groove knobby tire. Looks ready for dirt roads and rough terrain. And check out this big 190mm rotor. We'll mount that in a sec. Pretty standard like most of their builds. In the box, we've also got the foot pegs with the pins and springs, the kickstand, front fender, tools, the 54.6 volt 2 ampere charger, and the handlebars with the integrated LCD display, plus the manual. That's pretty much everything. Let's get this thing put together. Alright, time to put this thing together. First up, installing the kickstand. Just line it up and secure it with 2 bolts. Next, mounting the front rotor onto the wheel. After that, flip the bike over carefully, and yeah, this thing is definitely heavy duty, and slide the front wheel into place. Run the axle through and tighten both sides down. Flip it back over, loosen the stem clamp, and mount the handlebars. Adjust it to your height, tighten everything down nice and secure. Then install the brake levers and LCD display, making sure the screen is positioned on the right and everything's tightened so nothing moves around while riding. Now onto the foot pegs. Make sure the spring is facing the correct direction, slide the peg into place, push the pin through, and secure it. Repeat on the other side. The battery is tucked underneath the seat. Remove the large bolt underneath, lift the seat off, and there it is. Big removable battery, almost like a compact automotive style pack. Don't forget to remove the protective foam inside. Last step, attach the front fender, tighten it down, and connect the wiring for the LCD and headlight. And just like that, we're ready to ride. Now that it's all put together, I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks like a tank. Mean Machine vibes for sure. The name G300 SE definitely fits. I went with the black with orange accents, and I love how it pops, especially on the forks and wheels. They also have orange, blue, and camo options. Now let's talk power, because this is what really matters. This has a 4,500 watt peak mid-drive motor with 220 Newton meters of torque. In simple terms, it should pull hard. A lot of torque, a lot of power, and we're about to test that. Battery is a 26 amp hour, 1,248 watt hour removable pack with automotive grade cells. Easy to take out and charge separately. It's got full suspension, adjustable hydraulic forks up front, and a beefy rear coil shock, so it should handle trails and bumps way better than a typical e-bike. Quick highlights. Hydraulic 190mm disc brakes, integrated LCD display, LED taillight, IPX5 water resistance. Weight is about 123 pounds with the battery. So yeah, it's solid. Seat height is around 29 inches, so it definitely has that mini dirt bike feel. They're claiming up to 36 miles per hour and up to 45 miles of range, but you already know that depends on how you ride. Enough talking. Let's see what this thing can really do.
Alright guys, before we take it out for a spin, let me show you a few buttons and functions here. If you guys want to turn the bike on, you got to take the key, put it in, you twist it to turn it on. As you can see, the LCD display is on, and right now it shows miles per hour and it shows trip mileage. It says 0 on the right side bottom corner. It says eco, and then here's the mode. You could change that to eco to tour. It's going to give you more power. Sport mode, that's the fastest, and on top right corner it shows the battery power. If you hold the M button for a few seconds, it shows different information. It's the odometer, how many miles does this bike have. Right now it's a 0, brand new bike, and this is a trip, and that's pretty much it. This is a full throttle, and on the left side we got the headlight button, nice and super bright, and we do have a horn button here. It's pretty loud. I do love the horn button. So you can see we got the front headlight and we got the tail light. Nice. Also, I do love the seat. It's very wide and comfortable. Nice saddle, so once you sit down it like hugs you. All right, so let's go ahead and take it out for a spin. All right guys, let's go ahead and take this out for a spin. It's a little chilly today. It's about 44 degrees. It's not too bad, but let me put my gloves on. So remember, if you guys want to turn the bike on, you got to twist the key to the right. Now it is on. Now this is a safety feature. As soon as you turn the bike on, the twist throttle is not going to work. If you are fully ready to go, you have to press down the brake, insulating the bike that you're ready to go. So now I twist. As you can see, now I'm taking off, and that was quick. Right now I'm on eco mode, so let's see how fast it's gonna go. I'm gonna lightly, whoa, man, it's got so much torque. So right away I'm going about 15.4 miles on the eco mode. This is lightly cruising, so if you guys want to just easily cruise around, we'll recommend the eco mode. Come to a complete stop. Now I'm gonna change to tour mode. See how fast it's gonna go. Oh man, it launches you. Already I'm on 22, wow, 23, 24. That was the highest tour mode. Yeah, once you twist throttle, I mean, it's just instant right away, the torque. Oh, the brake is amazing.
Nice, very nice.
One of the best brakes. With a power like this, you would need a great brake for you to instantly stop. Otherwise, it could be dangerous. Let me stop here. All right, now I'm gonna switch to sport mode. It's gonna launch me, I know it is. Whoa! 18 already, 20.
That's crazy.
29, 30. 30 miles. Let me see here. Oh yeah. 32, 33. The ride, it feels very smooth, and the seat is really comfortable. With the full suspension like this, even little bumps, I'm not feeling anything. Alright, I think 33 was the highest. I don't know, that was an automatic brake. When I let go of the throttle, it'll brake on its own. Yeah, the ride feels amazing, easy to control. 29, 31, 32. Whoa. It's a little windy today. I mean, with the 220 Newton meter torque, you could almost pull a wheelie here with this launch. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Right away, I'm at 15, 16 already.
No way.
It's instant. 30. The ride is super smooth. And they did say that the more you ride, it will unlock the speed. The max speed for this bike is 36. I topped out at 33. So I think the more I ride it, it'll go faster. So a bike like this, obviously, we got to test out the bumpy roads here in the hill. And I know for sure that this will feel amazing and fun.
This is where the G300 SE really starts to make sense. This bike is just pure fun. It's got that thrill ride feeling, and it's not scared of hills, bumps, or rough terrain at all. If you've got a responsible teen who can handle power, this would be such a fun ride. And for adults too. I'm telling you, if you're looking for that little adrenaline rush after a long day, this thing delivers. I'm flying over bumps and rolling through hills right now, and the crazy part is, it feels smooth. The suspension just eats everything up.
Alright, after riding the HappyRun G300 SE, I gotta say this thing is straight up fun. It's like an e-bike and a mini dirt bike had a baby. What? Fast, smooth, and built to handle rougher terrain. But you already know, no bike is perfect for everybody, so let's hit the pros and cons real quick. Cons first. Number one, I really wish it had turn signals. The tail light is nice, but turn signals would have been a big safety upgrade. Number two, a reverse mode would have been a clutch, because this bike is heavy, and if you gotta back it up or turn it around in a tight spot, you're definitely using your legs. And last thing, size-wise, if you are taller, like 5'8" and up, it can feel a little on the smaller side. It still works, but it's got that compact mini bike feel. Now the pros, and there are a lot. That 220 Newton meters of torque is no joke. This thing launches like you twist the throttle and you've already flying, hitting 20 miles per hour before you even realize it. The full suspension is also super impressive. The big rear coil shock just eats bumps. Hitting hills and rough patches felt smooth and honestly just made it more fun, not intimidating. And hydraulic brakes with those big rotors, thank goodness. With much power you need good brakes, and these stopping strong. Overall, it's smooth, easy to handle, and it's basically an adrenaline machine. If you're looking for something for a teen who can handle it, or even adults who just want a fun ride with some serious power, this one is a blast. And real quick, if you want to check it out, I'll have the link down below. Right now it's $18.99 retail, but it's been on sale for $12.99.
No way.
And if you use my code STEVEO, STEVEOH, you'll save an extra $100.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
And get it for $11.99. And using that code helps support our channel too, so we really appreciate you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you ride this thing?
Maybe.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.